Hi there, GLM-4.7 was released a few days ago, and this is the official research page explaining its coding improvements. You can see it focuses on core coding, multilingual agent workflows, and terminal-based tasks with clear gains over GLM-4.6, including a plus 5.8% improvement on SW Bench. One important upgrade is thinking before acting, which helps the model handle complex tasks more reliably inside agent frameworks. They also highlight vibe coding, where GLM-4.7 improves UI quality by generating cleaner, more modern web pages and better-looking slides with more accurate layouts. Overall, this shows that GLM-4.7 is not just about benchmark numbers, but about practical improvements for real-world coding and UI generation. GLM-4.7 shows a clear improvement over GLM-4.6 and stays competitive with Claude and GPT on real-world coding tasks. Here you can see some front-end development showcase examples used to compare both models. Compared to GLM-4.6, the GLM-4.7 website design looks better with a high-contrast dark mode and smoother animations. In GLM-4.7, the garden looks more polished with smoother colors, softer lighting, and cleaner UI elements. For the 3D Rubik's Cube, there's a big difference. In GLM-4.6, shuffling only changes the colors without real movement. In GLM-4.7, the cube shuffles with smooth rotation animations. The solve option works correctly, and manual rotation controls are also fully functional. For slide generation, there's a big difference again in GLM-4.6. Most slides follow the same pattern with a gradient background, an image on the left and text cards on the right. In GLM-4.7, the slides look more modern with better spacing, improved typography, and a much stronger overall visual balance. This platform hosts the GLM models where you can create AI-generated slides, full-stack apps, UI designs, code, and even run deep research workflows. The best part is it's completely free to use right now. They also offer an API that you can integrate into your own AI coding tools like Claude or others, with pricing starting at around $3, making it one of the most affordable options available. This is the prompt I'm using to build a CSV to SQL query generator, where you upload a CSV file and instantly convert it into MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite queries. Get create table and insert statements in an IDE style panel with a dark-themed animated UI and a complete landing page included. Just give this prompt to GLM and hit submit. It will start thinking before generating the actual output. As you can see, the app is built using the Next.js 15 app router with TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Shad CN UI as the text stack. Once GLM plans the project structure, it automatically creates a task-based to-do list. This breaks the entire app into clear steps, making the implementation organized and easier to follow. There are a total of 7 tasks, and GLM has already started working on the first one. Here you can see it's using the Framer Motion library, which is mainly used to create interactive animations. And the best part is you can view all the code that it generates. It also supports Prisma with an inbuilt SQLite database, so everything is visible and downloadable. For the package manager, it uses Bun instead of PNPM, which was used before GLM-4.6. Bun is much faster than PNPM, so dependency installation is significantly quicker. Once the app is ready, you can download the entire codebase. Now the app is ready and it has started testing the code quality using EaseLint. All the to-do tasks are now completed. Then it provides an overall summary of the app features and also breaks them down by task like Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3 with a clear explanation of what was built in each step. Here you can see the app has nice animations and a well-defined theme. Compared to GLM-4.6, the UI is slightly improved on the design side. When you compare it with Claude or Gemini, the UI is still average, but the main advantage is the cost, which is much lower than the others. I expect the GLM-4.7 API pricing to be around the same $3, making it a very cost-effective option. Here you can see we have the option to upload a CSV file and convert it into SQL queries for any database. This is the CSV data I uploaded, and it's fully editable. You can define the table name and select the database type like MySQL or others. Once selected, you can convert the data. And here you can see the full SQL commands generated, which you can directly use to create tables. There's also a copy option, and you can download the output as an SQL file as well. Next, we can connect Supabase email authentication to our app. You just copy the Supabase keys, go to GLM, paste them, and ask it to integrate Supabase off. After submitting, it creates one more to-do task for this integration. The first step is installing the required packages and updating the code, so we wait a few seconds. Once the integration is complete, before testing the app, make sure email confirmation is disabled. Now I create my first account in the app, and you can see the created user appear in Supabase, which means the connection was completed within a minute. Finally, for deployment, it's just one click. Change the project name if needed, hit publish, wait 1 or 2 minutes, and the website goes live so everyone can access it, but it's still hosted under the GLM platform subdomain. For now, we can't fully customize the domain, but hopefully that will be supported in the future. Until then, you can download the complete source code and deploy it on Vercel or any other hosting platform you prefer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.